Hey, welcome to CPR Saver's product review. My name is Celine and today I'll be showing you our LifeSaver AED Trainer. This product is designed to train people on how to properly use a real AED when needed. It doesn't deliver a shock, making it safe for learning students, and has the same general layout of a real AED. It is recommended that this trainer is not stored with or near a live AED to avoid confusion. The LifeSaver AED Trainer comes in a carrying case with a set of adult and pediatric pads, as well as instructions in both English and Spanish. To turn on the LifeSaver AED Trainer, press and hold the green on-off button for 3 seconds. Once it's powered on, a red LED light will come on. Once it's on, a voice will prompt you to remove patient's clothing and apply pads to their chest. Then there will be 10 seconds for users to use the buttons located on the side of the trainer to choose one of 2 scenarios, setting either automatic or semi-automatic, and changing the language between Spanish or English, as well as increasing or decreasing the volume and playing or pausing your scenario. Scenario 1 delivers 3 shocks, and Scenario 2 delivers 1 shock followed by 2 no shocks. Insert the pads connector into the outlet.
Analyzing heart rhythm. Do not touch the patient.
After you insert the pads, follow the voice prompts from the chosen scenario.
Shock advised.
Wait for the voice to prompt you to press the shock button.
Clear. Do not touch the patient. Press the yellow shock button. Shock delivered. Begin CPR.
To turn off the LifeSaver AED Trainer, press and hold the green on-off button for 3 seconds. The LifeSaver AED Trainer uses 3 AA batteries, and when you're finished using this device, remove the batteries. If you'd like to find this product, visit our website at cpr-savers.com and type AEDTR into the search bar to be brought to the product page, or call our customer service excellence team at 1-800-480-1277. Thanks for watching.